people have been making $28 per image online, and this is one of the easiest ways of making money online from the comfort of your home. Everyone who has implemented this strategy has earned a lot of money already, and I want you to make money as well. And that is why I highly recommend you to watch this video until the end, so that you'll know how to implement this. I'll guide you through every step, and I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to earn a lot of money from it. In addition to that, I'll also be giving you some exclusive bonus tips that will skyrocket your earnings by 200% or more. So the first step, all you need to do is go to this website called Pexels.com. For those of you who are new to my channel, this is a website where you can download copyright-free images. Pexels is a free stock photo and video website and app that helps designs, bloggers, and everyone looking for visuals to find great photos and videos that can be downloaded and used for free. If you like a photo or video on this site, go ahead and download it for free on Pexels. All you need to do on Pexels now is search for black and white photos. You can do that by clicking the search box and then type in black and white photo, and then clicking the enter button. When you try to scroll down below, you can see that they have a lot of free black and white photos which you can download. We will be using these photos later on to make money online, and I'll also show you how to do that, so stay tuned. The next thing to do is visit a website called Colorize.com. I don't talk much about this website in my videos, but basically Colorize is a tool where you can turn your black and white photos into collage photos using AI. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the whole process of colorized jobs. With Colorize.com, you can colorize old photos 100% automatically powered by AI technology and deep learning. The AI photo colorizer enables you to colorize black and white photos, yellowish or gray images in seconds. It's very easy to use this tool. As you can see here, you only need 3 steps to colorize a photo using this app. You first need to prepare your digital black and white photo, then you need to upload that photo, and finally you can download the colorized photo for free. That's pretty cool, right? I'll now show you how to use this tool because we would be using this later on to earn some money. Okay, when you get to the homepage of this website, you will be able to see this box where you can upload your photo. Click on the box and then choose the black and white photo that you want to colorize. You can download some photos on Pexels, then upload them here. After you're done with uploading, it will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize your photo, and then you now have a fully colored photo from this black and white photo. As mentioned earlier, you can download this photo for free. Simply click on this download button to download the colorized photo on your computer. You can also do this using your mobile phones, so even if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still use this AI tool. Now let's try to colorize another photo. You have to do the same thing like what you did earlier. Click on this upload button and then choose your photo, wait for a few seconds, and now you have a fully colorized photo which you can download for absolutely free. You can colorize a lot of photos if you want to. Later on, I'll show you where you can make money by using this free tool. So keep your eyes glued to the screen and don't skip any part because I'll be revealing a secret website later in this video that you can also use to make more money. Now, not a lot of people are talking about the websites that I'm sharing with you on my videos, so you're very lucky to be watching this right now. If you guys are learning something, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Another secret website that I want to share with you in today's video is called Remove.bg. This is a tool that you can use to remove backgrounds 100% automatically in 5 seconds with 0 clicks. There are approximately 20 million more interesting activities than removing backgrounds by hand. Thanks to Remove.bg, clever AI, you can slash editing time and have more fun. As you can see here, this is an example of a photo with the background removed using this free tool. When I try to slide this button, you can see the photo with the background, and when I slide it to the opposite side, you can now see the photo without a background. And all of that is done using their advanced AI tool. The best thing about this is that it's 100% free. Yes, you heard that right. You can use this AI tool for free, and you can also use this later to make money online. And I will show you how to do that in a moment. Before I show you how to make money using this website and the previous one, let us test the effectiveness of this tool. When you land on their homepage, you can see here that you can upload a photo or simply drag and drop a photo on this box. Let me use this photo as an example. As you can see, in just a matter of seconds, they remove the background from this photo. As you can see here, you can download this photo for free. Simply click on either of these two. If you want to download it with a high resolution, you can simply click here and it will be downloaded straight to your computer. Again, you can also do this on your mobile phone, so you don't need to worry if you don't have a computer or laptop. Now I will show you some websites where you can earn some money simply by using these two apps which I've mentioned earlier. The first website is called Fiverr.com. I know a lot of you are already familiar with this website, but for the newbies, this is an online platform for freelance services. This is where freelancers can offer their services to customers worldwide. What you need to do here is go to the search box and type in colorized photo and click on the search button. After doing that, you will be able to see people who are selling this type of service. As you can see, the payment ranges from $5 up to $25, and all they do is colorize photos using the website which I've mentioned earlier. You can also do this type of work and you don't need to stress yourself because everything is done automatically with the use of Colorize.com. You can simply upload a black and white photo and then let the AI tool for Colorize.com handle the rest. That's amazing, right? Now, to earn money from Fiverr, you first need to create an account. And to do that, you can simply click on Become a Seller right here. Then you need to come over to this page where you can sign up as a seller for 100% free. All you need to do is fill in the required information and then click here to continue. After doing that, you can now start selling your services on Fiverr. The next website where you can also sell services is on peopleperhour.com. People Per Hour is a freelance website just like Fiverr. All you need to do is search for background removal and then you'll be able to see all of these people who are selling their services. The payment for this type of scale is somewhere around $10 up to $35. That's a lot of money that you can earn by simply removing backgrounds. And you do not need to do a lot, since you can just use remove.bg to remove backgrounds from photos. To start selling your services on peopleperhour.com, you first need to sign up for a free account. And to do that, simply click this one on top and then you'll come over to this page. Make sure you click on I want to work as a freelancer and then provide the required information right here. Now that you have your accounts on Fiverr and People Per Hour, you can start selling your services on these websites. So if you want to colorize black and white photos, you can use colorize.com. And if you want to remove the background from a photo, you can use remove.bg. You can do this over and over again and make a lot of money. Do you want to learn how you can make money while sleeping? Click here! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.